Hey guys, this is Deepu. Do you like PSP games? I know you do. I have spent several hours of my childhood playing God of War, Dragon Ball Z, Final Fantasy, Grand Theft Auto and FIFA games on PSP. But I liked the God of War series the most. They were the best graphical intensive games of the PSP era. Even PC games like Devil May Cry did not look like PSP God of War games at that time. PSP was packed with a lot of graphical power into a tiny space. It was revolutionary at the time of release. Thinking of playing games on a handheld device and taking it anywhere you want was the most appealing to me. Seeing your competitive friends' jaw get dropped was the best feeling when you first bought your PSP on Playtime with friends. The PlayStation Portable or PSP is a handheld game console developed and marketed by Sony Computer Entertainment. It was first released in 12th December 2004 with a $180 price tag. It sold 200,000 on the first day of release. PSP had a unique feature called ad-hoc mode. By this feature, you could play the games with a friend in competitive versus mode. Somewhat like an LAN gameplay on PC. If I tell you you can play all your PSP games with your Android phone, including all the features that PSP had, what would you do? Let's start after a few words from our sponsor, XeonBD. XeonBD is a well-known web hosting company based in Bangladesh. They have servers in Bangladesh, USA and many other countries. If you are looking for a very fast SSD web hosting service, look no more. XeonBD web hosting is very affordable and they come with a lot of features. But if you are looking for a domain suitable for your business, you have come to the right place. They offer hundreds of domain extensions like .com, .net, .tv, .me. No matter what you are looking for, you can find it here. So go and check them out. The link is given in the description below. Go to Google Play Store, search for PPSSPP, install the app. After the installation is complete, it's time to download the PSP game ISO. There is a legal gray area when it comes to downloading ROM due to copyright and intellectual property issues. As such, I can't link out any specific ROM or even to download sites. If you go to Google looking for PSP games, I certainly wouldn't stop you. After the download is done, see which file format is it. Is it in ISO or CSO format? If it is in zip or RAR format, you have to first unzip it. But if it is in ISO or CSO format, go to the next step. You should see a folder named PSP inside your phone's internal or external storage. Open PSP folder, then open the game folder. Copy and paste your game ISO or CSO file here. Now go to your phone and open PPSSPP. Click on the Games tab. Here you can find all the games you copied from your computer. Click on any of them. They should run just fine, even on the mid-range phone. You can face some glitches when running some games like Metal Slug XX. In this case, audio is working but there is no video. Click on the back button on your phone and click on Settings. In the Graphics tab, change the mode to buffered rendering and your game should work just fine. are facing any problem, feel free to write it on the comment. I'll help you to fix it. Thank you for watching. If you dislike this video, you can click that button. But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed and click the bell icon. See you in the next one.